And you?
Furkan.
Furkan. Okay. Where are you from?
I'm in Canada.
Okay, thank you so much. We are from Bangladesh.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, dear Nazir, কি নিয়ে কথা বলতে হবে?
জি জি স্যার, ইউটিউব ভিডিও এসইও স্যার।
Okay, dear Furkan.
Yes.
According to discuss with Mr. Nazir, hopefully you want to market your YouTube channel, and we want to help you to SEO your each and every video. In these terms, if you have any question, you can ask me anything.
Sure.
Thank you. Do you have any question on this area?
Well, I just wanted to understand how you plan on marketing the channel and what tools you will use, and then just the cost.
Okay, actually we want to help you to grow your YouTube channel by using lots of method. There is two types of work. First, organic and paid marketing. And for organic work, we want to complete your on-page and off-page area. That means we want to help you to research your targeted keywords first according to your targeted niche or video. After that, optimize your each and every video title, description and keywords area. Also, if you need any update on your video thumbnail, then we can do that. We can change it and add it more eye-catchy. After finish our first part, then we can go for marketing. That means we want to help you to share your content by using all social media sites, when we can see a good result in future, day by day. This is our targeted method. Before that, we want to research your channel analytics first. After that, we can make a report that how to market it. Okay.
Sure. So right now I have enough subscribers to monetize my channel. I just need the hours, the viewing hours.
Yeah.
Because I'm short, obviously. But yeah, so would your focus be on subscribers or the viewing?
Yeah, there is no subscribers, no viewers targeted. We want to help you by using organic method. Okay. First, we want to research it when we can see a targeted audience accordingly. We don't provide you any targeted of subscribers, likes or views, because we don't know how many subscribers subscribe our channel after finish our work. But we can try our best from our side to give you a good result.
Okay.
And for that, we can work two types. First, organic, that means complete on-page and off-page SEO. After that, if need any marketing by using Google Ads, then we can do that to collect our targeted audience and targeted views or subscribers. But I cannot provide you any types of targeted of subscribers, likes or views, because I don't know.
Of course.
How many subscribers subscribe our channel and watch our video. If our content is okay and we can collect the targeted audience, then they watch our video and subscribe it. This is the real work. And that's why we cannot provide you any types of subscribers, likes or views idea.
Okay. That makes sense.
Thank you. If you have any question?
No, I think that was the main thing. I just wanted to understand your plan, and then
Okay. Just waiting for your permission. If you want, we can start your work from now.
So you said you'll do a quick analysis to see the performance, right? Are you able to share that with me first?
Yeah, of course. That's why need your channel access as an editor or as a manager when we can make a report. After that, we can join another Zoom meeting. Then we can discuss about our work portfolio, work details, that how to market it and what's our budget and how to collect our targeted audience.
Sure. Okay, so Nazir, are you able to let me know what you need from me? I can share the channel, and then just contact me, and then we can take it from there. Does that work?
Okay, of course. Thank you so much. And just send us your channel access as a manager. Please add Mr. Nazir as a manager. When he research your channel analytics and dashboard and make a report, and then we can discuss about our business, our channel, that how to market our store by using our YouTube channel.
Sure.
Okay.
Sounds good. Okay.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Bye.
Bye.